Okay, बच्चों, hello, good afternoon. So we have done this much on the Department of Agriculture. Now see, in this the following summer, after his freshman year at Harvard University was the university there Albright went. जहाँ पे वो गया. Albright went back to the laboratory of the Department of Agriculture. Now he decided to study all about the agriculture and he decided to go there. Laboratory of the agriculture did more work on the hormone from the gold spots. Using the laboratory's sophisticated instruments, he was unable to identify the hormones called chemical structure. Actually, now he has got the outcome, he has got the result, and that spots are secreting, spots are producing a hormone. Now he wanted to know all about the hormone, so he decided to went to Harvard University and he wanted to study in that university also. So it was the University of Agriculture, you can say, and there he wanted to know the chemical structure of that spots, what happened when they react. A year and a half later, during this junior year, Albright got the idea for his new theory about cell life. Now, finally, after studying 1.5 years, he has got the idea of new cell life. But he believed that along with his findings about insect hormones, the photos gave him the answer to one biology's puzzles, how the cell can read the blueprint of its DNA. Now after that he has got one more question, how that DNA becomes the blueprint of life. Means here he wanted to know the correlation between DNA and the life. How DNA becomes the blueprint of life. How DNA perform in our life. So the next question, next research is here, beta, you are just noticing that by and after one research and after one finding, after one experiment, he is just doing the researches. He is just continuing the researches and he was not going to stop. Why? Because he wanted to get more and more knowledge. Okay, so you can see here again he just switching his mind about the DNA, about the correlation of DNA and life, how DNA becomes the blueprint of our life, our human life. So here he has got the idea, DNA is the blueprint of life. Albright and his college roommate James R. Wong. You can underline the word because these are the things you can mention in your answer to make your answer proper, to make your answer scoreable. You make your answer, you can say rich in marks. Okay, not rich in money, rich in marks. So for that answer, you just give underline. Albright and his college roommates James R. Wong worked all that night drawing pictures and constructing plastic models and molecules to show how it could happen. Together they later wrote the paper that explained that. Finally, his roommate as well as he himself worked very hard throughout the day. Okay, whole night they spent in making the drawers, in making the models, and finally they got the information and they got the theory about the cells, about the growth of cells. Surprisingly, no one who knew him, Richard Albright, graduated, and finally it was the time of his graduation from second standard. He started his you can say researches and now he is in graduation from Harvard with highest honors, and there was no doubt and there was no, you can say, question about the qualification, about the you can say honor, about the marks, good marks also. He has done his graduation with that university, through that university with good marks also. So this was not the question of having the good marks. It was sure that he will have the good marks, as well as he simply did his researches, lots of researches, lots of results he found. Okay, mark here. We'll continue the next thing in the next video.